Hello everybody, it's James Studios here and I'm doing a Pikmin unboxing. Sorry if there's kind of a mess. I'm outside right now and sorry if there's like some noises. It's just that I'm outside and right now today I have my Bulbasaur plush. If you think he's not brand new, well he actually is. I just lost the tag for him. The box is somewhere, he's a nice dude. It's just that I lost his tag. I wish I was taking a video in this box, so I lost them. And yeah, this is actually a really nice plush. Like, I have to admit that, he's pretty soft. I didn't definitely expect that, but I opened him and filled him, so. But I didn't really feel him that much. He's filled with stuffing. I'll get one of my Pikmin right here, and the cool thing about him is that, okay, I'll just use my red one. My blue one. The cool thing about him, I just have to do something. Sorry about that. I just needed to get the blue against his mouth. This is a cool thing about him. You can put Pikmin in his mouth. Pretty cool. No, get out. Okay. And I'm adding him with my collection, which is right over here. Like my Pikmin collection. This one's not mine, it's just my brother's for some reasons in this video. I got my Bulbasaur in my collection. Pretty nice. It's lined so somebody actually didn't make it. That they just bought it and sold it. It's a pretty good plushie actually. Nice and soft. And I hope you enjoyed. Bye!